There is nothing exceptional about our modern-day obsessions to scrutinize the sky. If our age is defined by persistent dreams of space travel inside complex and often cumbersome technologies whose sole purpose is to speed up the journey into space and outer space and protect our fragile human organic systems, people in the ancient world also peered through the same celestial bodies above us. Just like us, they dreamed, reflected, discussed, and even record the movements of stars and planets in our galaxy and in distant ones. Today, I will discuss the Nebra Sky Disk, an ancient invention that attempts to document the movements of planets and stars to help people during the Bronze Age align their worldly and spiritual activities with the cosmos. The Nebra Sky Disk is an extraordinary bronze artifact from the early Bronze Age, thought to date back to around 1600 BCE, that offers a fascinating glimpse into the astronomy and spiritual beliefs of ancient European peoples. Discovered in 1999 near Nebra, Germany, this small, round disk is considered one of the oldest known depictions of the cosmos. The disk is approximately 30 centimeters, or about 12 inches, in diameter, and features inlaid symbols of the sun, the moon, and stars, all crafted with fine gold foil embedded into the bronze background. This artwork was created at a time when scientific understanding of the skies was emerging, blending artistic representation with deep astronomical and cultural symbolism. The creators of the Nebra Sky Disk are believed to belong to a culture known as the Unetice culture, which existed in Central Europe during the early Bronze Age. The people of the Unetice culture were skilled metalworkers, and the disk's creation reveals an advanced knowledge of metallurgy and symbolism. The use of bronze, a blend of copper and tin, reflects their expertise, while the delicately hammered gold leaf used for celestial symbols illustrates their artistic precision. The design likely served both a practical and ritualistic purpose, capturing how these ancient people viewed the relationship between celestial bodies and human life. As for its purpose, the Nebra Sky Disk appears to be both an astronomical and spiritual tool. The symbols on the disk seem to mark specific points in the sky, particularly the Pleiades star cluster and the phases of the moon, indicating that the creators may have used it to track solar and lunar cycles. Scholars believe that it served as a tool for guiding planting and harvesting cycles, aligning with key celestial events such as solstices. However, the arrangement of symbols also suggests it may have held religious or ceremonial significance, possibly used by a priest or astronomer to convey divine messages about the heavens. The disk was created using bronze and gold, with the bronze disk forming the base and the gold applied to illustrate celestial bodies. Modern analysis shows that its creators used specialized tools to hammer the metal, likely heating and cooling it repeatedly to get the right shapes and textures. They attached the gold symbols onto the bronze using adhesives derived from organic materials, a process that underscores the technological ingenuity of early Europeans. Studies of trace elements in the materials suggest that the bronze was sourced locally, while the gold may have come from the Carpathian Mountains, implying a sophisticated trade network. The disk's estimated creation date of 1600 BCE places it in a pivotal era of European history when societies were advancing in terms of agriculture, trade, and social organization. This was the height of the Bronze Age, a period marked by the rise of cities and a complex system of social hierarchy. The Nebra Sky Disk is thus a testament to the innovative spirit and cultural complexity of Bronze Age Europe, showing that these communities held a deep awareness of the natural world and understood the importance of aligning their lives with celestial rhythms. The discovery of the Nebra Sky Disk in 1999 was somewhat accidental. Two amateur treasure hunters found it using metal detectors in the forest near Nebra, an area already known for ancient settlements. Although the find was initially held and sold on the black market, it was eventually recovered by German authorities and is now preserved at the State Museum of Prehistory in Halle, Germany. This remarkable artifact has since been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Object, highlighting its unparalleled value in understanding early European history. From the artifacts recovered with the Nebra Sky Disk, researchers have gleaned information about the people who may have used it. Burial sites and ritual items found nearby suggest that the region had a complex social and religious life. The disk's meticulous craftsmanship and its high-value materials point to it likely being owned by a prominent member of the community, possibly someone who served as a bridge between people and the divine forces of nature. Such details reveal the symbolic, economic, and social significance of the Nebra Sky Disk within its community. The Nebra Sky Disk tells us much about the intellectual and cultural achievements of people in the past. The disk shows that Bronze Age Europeans were keenly observant of the night sky and its patterns, integrating celestial knowledge into their lives and rituals. The ability to track astronomical events suggests they had a form of early scientific thought, showing that observation, record-keeping, and perhaps even predictive thinking were part of their knowledge system. Such a finding upends stereotypes of early European communities as unsophisticated or purely survival-focused. In modern terms, the Nebra Sky Disk is a cultural bridge that connects us with ancient ways of knowing. It symbolizes humanity's timeless curiosity about the cosmos and our desire to place ourselves within a broader universal order. As one of the earliest known depictions of the cosmos, it offers insights into how ancient people viewed themselves as part of a larger universe, governed by cycles and patterns. This has resonated with people today, sparking discussions about how ancient cosmologies can inform modern views of science and spirituality. The Nebra Sky Disk serves as a reminder of our deep-seated connections with the natural world and our enduring quest to understand the cosmos. Its discovery and preservation allow us to appreciate the ingenuity of our ancestors, who found meaning and guidance in the skies above. The disk continues to inspire wonder, symbolizing a shared human experience across millennia, and reminding us that, like our Bronze Age ancestors, we too seek knowledge, meaning, and connection within the vastness of the universe.